Before buying an ice shaver, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Let's uncover what makes a good ice shaver and why some just don't cut it. Product number 1, OKF Ice Shaver Machine. First up is the OKF Ice Shaver Prevent Splash Snow Cone Machine. Priced at $53.99, this little powerhouse caught my eye with its promise of efficiency at home. If you want a reliable machine that delivers smooth snow cones without the mess, this is worth a serious look. That means you can whip up a batch of snow cones for your next party in no time. Plus, the splash-free design is a game saver, ensuring your countertop stays clean. With over 1,500 reviews averaging 4.5 stars, it's clear people appreciate its performance. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're tired of cleaning up ice shards all over your kitchen, this machine keeps everything contained, allowing you to focus on enjoying the treats. Now, some people complained about the noise level during operation. Here's the thing though, it's an ice shaver, so a bit of noise is expected. If you're sensitive to sound or looking for something ultra-quiet, this might not be for you. But for most home use, that minor detail won't ruin your ice shaving party. This is perfect for you if you love throwing parties or just want to enjoy snow cones at home. Skip this one if you need something ultra-quiet. For the price, it's a solid deal. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more powerful, the next one on my list might actually be even better for your needs. Product number 2, Vevor Dual Blade Ice Crusher. Next is the Vevor Electric Ice Crusher Shaver, which retails for $62.69. I was drawn to its dual blade design, allowing for greater efficiency. If you want fluffy snow ice with minimal effort, take a closer look at this one. This machine boasts a high-powered motor that can shave 173 pounds of ice per hour, which is impressive for both home and commercial use. The adjustable blade distance lets you customize your ice texture from coarse to ultra-fine, perfect for everything from slushies to fancy cocktails. The splash-free operation keeps your kitchen clean, thanks to the anti-splash rollers and precision guide chute. With about 2,000 reviews also averaging 4.5 stars, users appreciate its durability and functionality. Here's why this matters for you. If you're hosting events regularly or running a food business, the ease of use and efficiency can save you time and hassle. Now, some reviews mention that it might struggle with larger ice blocks. Here's the kicker, using smaller ice cubes might take a bit more prep, but if you stick to the recommended sizes, you'll have smoother results. So if you're okay with a little prep work, it's a worthwhile investment. This is perfect for you if you run a cafe or love making snow cones at home. Skip this if you plan on using oversized ice blocks consistently. Overall, it offers great value for the performance it delivers. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want something portable. Product number 3, MANBA Portable Ice Shaver. Coming in hot at just $20.99 is the MANBA Ice Shaver and Snow Cone Machine. I was impressed by its portability and budget-friendly price. If you're looking for a simple and effective way to enjoy shaved ice on the go, this is worth considering. The MANBA is designed for convenience, featuring stainless steel blades that won't rust and a manual hand crank operation. It's lightweight and easy to carry, making it ideal for outdoor events or short trips. With a 4.4-star rating from nearly 15,000 reviews, it's clear that this product has a solid fan base. Here's why this matters for you. If you enjoy beach days or picnics, having a portable ice shaver means you can whip up treats wherever you are without needing power. Now, some users pointed out that it requires a bit of elbow grease to operate. I'll be real with you, if you're looking for an effortless experience, this might not be your best bet. However, for those who don't mind putting in a little work for a refreshing treat, it's a fantastic option. This is perfect for you if you love outdoor activities or have kids who enjoy ice treats. Skip this if you want an electric-powered machine. For the price, it's an unbeatable deal. If you need something a bit more heavy-duty, the next product might be what you're after. Product number 4, KDOUKE Manual Ice Shaver. Next up, we have the KDOUKE Rotary Ice Shaver priced at $19.49. What caught my attention here is its manual operation and sturdy design. If you need a reliable, low-cost option for ice shaving, you might want to check this out. The KDOUKE features 16 stainless steel blades that rotate to shave ice quickly, making it efficient for home use. You can fill it with various shapes of ice cubes, which is a big advantage. With a 4.6-star rating from about 361 reviews, this shaver is praised for its straightforward use and effectiveness. Here's why this matters for you. If you're looking for a simple manual solution that doesn't need power, this is a great pick for a family outing or a camping trip. However, some people mention that it can be a bit tricky to clean thoroughly. Here's the thing though, if you're willing to rinse it out right after use, it shouldn't pose much of a problem. Just be cautious with the sharp blades during cleaning. This is perfect for you if you want a manual option without relying on electricity. Skip this if you're looking for something that's super easy to clean. For its price, it's a solid choice. Now, if you're leaning towards something more powerful, the last product on our list could be right up your alley. Product number 5, Vevor Commercial Ice Crusher. Finally, we have the Vevor Electric Ice Crusher, which is more on the premium side at $187.71. I was drawn in by its power and commercial-grade performance. If you plan to serve ice treats in larger quantities, this one is definitely worth a look. It's built for both home and commercial use, making it versatile for different scenarios. The adjustable ice texture feature lets you create anything from fine ice for snow cones to coarser textures for slushies. With a 4.5-star rating from over 600 reviews, it's clear users appreciate its efficiency and durability. Here's why this matters for you. If you're running a food truck, cafe, or hosting large events, this machine can keep up with the demand without breaking a sweat. Now, some users reported that it's a bit bulky and heavy. Here's the deal, if you have limited counter space or need something portable, this might not be ideal. But if you have the space and need high output, this is a worthwhile investment. This is perfect for you if you need a powerful machine for commercial use or large gatherings. Skip this if you want something compact. It's designed to deliver great performance for the price. So to recap, we've looked at 5 great options for ice shavers. The OKF offers home efficiency, the Vevor dual blade is perfect for texture control, MANBA is your portable friend, KDOUKE provides a solid manual choice, and the Vevor commercial model is a powerhouse for high output. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, so choose one that fits your needs best.